To add and activate get notified when fully charged routine in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe on the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap compass like icon at the top right to see the list of the stock routine available. Tap battery and then select get notified when fully charged. Next, tap save button to add the selected routine to your routine list. Go back to the routine screen to see that the selected routine has been added. Now when your battery level is 100%, get notified when fully charged routine will be enabled automatically, and it will give you notification that the battery is fully charged, such as by vibrating, turn on always on display, and also read aloud the notification. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.